Hey everyone, I started this as a live stream and couldn't get it to work right, so I decided to just make it into a video. I wasn't allowing comments anyway. This is an advice to a woman in the community that has started a jewelry business and did a video the other day about how it wasn't quite working out for her the way she originally thought, that Etsy wasn't working out for her, and that she had created an e-commerce site and just some other things. And I had a successful product-driven business. And so because she said that she was having to redo some of her marketing techniques, I just thought I'd share with her some of the things that I learned. And so I'm going to share those things with you now. First of all, the jewelry business is very oversaturated, and it always has been on Etsy. It's real hard to get noticed. Also, creating an e-commerce site is great, but the only people that really are going to buy from a website are people that already know you. It's not going to create or generate a lot of interest from outside the people that know you personally, I guess is what I'm saying. I told her some ideas about it. She's an ex-hairdresser, and she's making these wrapped or twisted jewelry designs. And this is going to be even harder because the stones are very inexpensive, and of course the wire and the jewelry tools are very inexpensive. And she's charging quite a bit of money for these things that people can do on their own, or they have the perception that they can do them on their own. They're going to think, well, why should I pay her to wrap wire around a stone? I can do that myself. So my idea was one that I myself had planned to use at some point, and that is to sell kits and put the different elements people need in the kits and have a hangout. Let your people that have bought the kits get a glass of wine or whatever and have a hangout and make it all, at the same time and have a good time. So that way you're addressing the people's thoughts that, oh, I can do this myself, and not buying. Plus you create something fun for people to do, something interactive for people to do. So that was one of my suggestions. Another one was for her to put her jewelry in boutiques. And she's in Florida, and there are lots of boutiques, let's face it, along the ocean, the little boutiques on the beaches, and she could get in with some of those and place some of her pieces. That would be a great place to sell them. I never really said that she couldn't go ahead and try to use other ways of selling them. I was just trying to show her or tell her things that I've learned. I also said that these were just things to inspire her. If she didn't want to use any of them, that's great. If she did, that's great too. I just wanted to inspire her because she said she was having some marketing problems. So another thing I suggested is that she gets real cute little business cards drawn up, and you can get those done fairly inexpensive. And when she fills an order, like I know she's filling orders for Christmas gifts, put enough little business cards in there and do some sort of referral program, and anybody that buys from her business card, will get a certain percentage off. That's a great way to build your business. So I guess that's the high points. I'll probably think of some others later and put them down below. But I was very excited to be able to give her these tips. And it didn't go over well. So I wanted to share some of those tips with any of you that want to start a business, selling crafts. Those are just absolutely great ideas to go by. I know I gave her more but I deleted the comments, so I can't read them. So anyway, that's my advice. My advice is to you is also never to mistake my kindness for weakness, because those days are gone, over and gone. And you should never, ever shoot down anybody that's trying to help you build a business, because you never know which person is going to bring in that stream of income for you. Going to be the honeypot for you, or what idea is going to work best for you. And we'll just leave it at that. My next video will be showing some of the things I've been making. I've made jewelry in the past, but my business was so successful that I basically ruined my hands doing it. I had to spend months in physical therapy. So I have to be real careful. And, I know jewelry businesses are a dime a dozen. So anyway, to the person that I gave this original advice to, good luck with your business. I hope you do well. Okay. All right, everybody. Have a good day. Next video will be showing my things.